Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Coding with Hello. Today we're going to connect to Shopify. So the first thing that you need to do is go to shopify.dev and create your own account. I already have one, so let me log in and continue. Iniciar sesión. Let's go to this account. And I'm gonna go to stores. So the idea for integration for today is I'm gonna work on a specific store and create an app for that store, like a private app. Okay, so I'm gonna use this test run one. Okay, so I'm gonna go to log into here. So the idea of this app that I'm gonna build is specifically for that account. Okay, so I'm gonna go to apps, see app and sales channel settings, develop apps, create an app. I'm gonna create a coding with Algo, create app. Now we have the API credentials. We're gonna need the API key and the API secret. Okay, so I'm gonna copy both away. So I'm gonna go to our code and start doing stuff. Okay, so going to the code and we're gonna start with the initial package. So npm init -y. Let's install a.env and let's install the Shopify API Node package. We're gonna create our .env file, and in here we're gonna do the API key is the one that we just grabbed from there. The API secret, we already had it also from there. And I'm gonna grab my store shop name there. Okay. So now we're gonna create our index.js file and start coding. So the first thing, of course, is remember to do the requires. So require.m.config. Let's do const Shopify equals to require Shopify API Node. Let's initialize Shopify clients. Const Shopify equals to new Shopify. And we're gonna send the key, so shop name, it's process.m.shop name. The API key is process.m.api key. And the password is gonna be the process.m.secret API secret. Okay. So now that we have that, we can start creating our functions. So the first function I want to do is I want to create a product. So I'm going to do an async function, create product. Let's send like a product data. And we're going to do a try catch, error, console, error. And let's do const product equals to await Shopify dot product dot create, and let's send the product data, and let's do return product. Okay, so we're gonna do an async function here that will do like a const product equals to await create product with the product data. So let's create the new product data. Let's say like the title, it's a video, the body HTML, it's an H1. Whoa, H1. And let's do variants, a price, let's say 9.99. Let's do a console log product. Okay, so let's clear this out. Let's do a node index, and we have an program not. So the reason for that is that we haven't even added like a permission scope for this. So let's go to here. Let's go back to the admin, and we have to go to configure admin's API scopes, and we have like all the permissions here. So we're gonna go and add a product. So we want to write products, read products, yes. What else? View collection, yeah. For now, let's do just write-only products. Okay, so let's save. Okay, let's go back to our code. Let's write it again. So now I think now that the issues are the keys, so let me double check that. Okay, so we need to install the app here. We're gonna install it into our account. Now we have real.once. Okay, so I think that this might be the key that we need. Let me check that out. So let's reveal the token, copy this. Let's go back to our code. Let's go to the hotel and change the secret to actually the token. Yep, that was it. Okay, so now we have a new product here, the standard one with the wow ID. So let's check if that's actually true. So let's close this up. Let's go to products, and yeah, video. We have video here. How can I do something here? Inventory. No. Collections. Purchase orders, transfers. No. Actually here. We cannot activate it. We cannot do anything here. I think that's, for some reason it's stuck there. I cannot click on any button here. Let me see if I can refresh this screen. Okay, now I can go to video and you see, wow, at the price 9.99. Okay, cool. So next thing that we want to do is we want to update the stock. Okay, so let's say we're gonna add some inventory here. Okay, so we're gonna transition back to our code and let's do that. So let's do a sync function, update stock, and let's add the product ID, the variant ID, and the new quantity. Okay, let's try catch error, console error. And here let's do cost update the product equals to run await Shopify dot product variant dot update. I'm gonna send the variant ID here, and then the object that is gonna be the ID is gonna be the variant ID, and the inventory quantity is gonna be the new quantity. I think that we need to send. Okay, so I don't think we need this. Yeah, I think we only need the variant ID. Yeah, let's try that. Let's do return updated product, and let's do here const product stock equals to await update stock, and we're gonna send a variant ID, which is here, this one, and we're gonna send the new quantity, let's say like 100. Okay? Let's comment the new product. Let's do a console log product stock. So let's write this down. Another error. A response code 400. Let's see what's going on here. So product variant, we can do an update. Requires ID and params. Yeah, so one thing that we also need to add here is the inventory. So let's go back to the app. Let's search here in the scopes inventory. Let's write inventory. Let's save this. Okay, configuration saved. Should I need to reinstall it? I don't think so. Okay, let's try it again. You see write, read, write. Okay, API credentials. We should have that ready. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so let's go back to our code. Let's clear, run again. Okay, there's something else we need to do here. Response 400 not request. So let's go back to the app. Authenticate with access token. No, we need that. App settings. Nope. That's really fine. I think that we need to modify the function. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, so after a little bit of investigation, they changed the API, so we need to do a couple things before. So in order to update our stock, the first thing that we need to do is to understand about our warehouses, our locations. So I'm gonna create a function to get locations, and we're gonna go like try catch error console error, and let's do const locations equals to await Shopify dot location dot list, and we'll get all our warehouses where we can add some inventory there. So I'm gonna do return locations, and let's comment this. Let's do const locations equals to await get locations and console locations. Okay, so let's clear this out. Let's do node index, and we have our location ID with an address, and here's ID. Okay, so let's comment this out so we have an ID. So let's do const location ID equals to that. So now we have our location. We need to get inventory levels. So in order to get our inventory level, we need to set up an inventory level. Actually, we can. Let me think. So we have a location, we have an inventory item ID, we have the inventory items. Okay, so we need to get our inventory items. In order to get our inventory items, we need to get the the ID of the inventory item. So let's try to get that. In order to get that, we need to get, let me think. So we need to get the inventory ID for inventory item for our product. So in order to get that, we need to first get our inventory item ID. So let's first list our items. List items, and in order to list items, we're gonna do list items, list products. Sorry, let's do products. So we're gonna add these products, or let's get a single product for this specifically. Let's send the product ID. Let's do a try catch. Console error. And in here, let's do cost product equals to an await Shopify dot product dot get and the product ID. So return product. So self-list products. Let's do get product. So let's do const product equals to an await get product. The product ID which we already have here. Let's say that out. Let's do product ID and console product. Okay, clear this out. Let's run. We have either write and the read here. Let's see what's going on here. So product dot get ID the number. Oh yeah, sorry. This is the variant ID. The product ID should be this 727. Let's run this out again. Okay, so now we have the wow video, etc. And invariants, we should have an inventory item ID here. Okay, so now we have an inventory ID. Let's do const inventory item ID equals to this value. Okay, let's comment and break this up so you know how we got all the information above below. And then now that we have location, product, inventory ID, now we need to add stock. So in order to add stock, we need to go to the inventory item and set and update the value. Okay, so how do we do this? So we need to send the, let me think, we need to send the inventory item. No, actually we need to send the inventory level. Okay, so let's do now with the update stock. What we're gonna do is, instead of this, we're gonna do this differently. We're gonna do const updated product, that's fine, equals to an await Shopify dot inventory level dot is just is set, because we're gonna set directly information. We're gonna delete this. Okay, so the variables that we need here are the location ID. We're gonna send the inventory item ID and the available. Okay, so location ID, comma inventory ID, comma instead of new quantity, let's say available. Okay, location ID. Okay, so let's modify that from here. So location ID, product ID, and the inventory ID, and let's do like 1,000. Okay, so let's clear this out. That index, awesome. Okay, so let's check that out. So we're gonna go here, we're gonna go to our login. I don't know, I think logged out. So login. Let's go to products. Let's go to, oh, here is video 1000 in stock. Awesome. So now you can update those products. And then just a bonus track. If you want to list all your products, we're gonna do like a async function get all products. Let's do try catch. Also error. Let's do cost products equals to no age Shopify dot product dot list return products, and we're gonna comment on this out as well and do cost products equals to an get products also products. Let's clear this out. Let's run this and you'll see all the products. And of course, if you find the video here, you'll see, oh yeah, we won't see that it's in here variants of the information, but yeah, we have all the products here. Yeah, that's basically how you connect to Shopify to manage your products. We might do some videos later on doing other different stuff like creating orders or something like that. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, for now, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, add comments to my videos, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.